Guess what we have today? All of these subscription boxes, and I have about half an hour to get through them all, so we're gonna blitz through. Are you ready? These are all of the subscription boxes for the month of June. I have the Ipsy Glam Bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, aka Boxycharm, Act Live Life, which is like it's a motivating fitness subscription box for women, and BREO box, which is hella expensive, but it comes with some pretty cool stuff that you don't normally see, that you wouldn't normally get or buy for yourself. For me, it reminds me of like Kickstarter or like going into Smarter Things. No, what's the name of that store? Sharper Image. We're gonna kick it off with the cheapest down to the most expensive box. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag. It's $15 per month. You're going to get 5 deluxe sample size to full size beauty items, and it's gonna be based on your beauty quiz. That is so cute. It's like a mesh. It's like a beachy bag, and it says love on it. When you get your Ipsy Glam Bag, you do get to make one choice. They send this to me in PR. I paused my subscription for a while because like I had a lot of makeup, but also because they send this to me in PR, your bag would also be more tailored to you, where this is just gonna kind of show you an idea of the different brands that they're excited about partnering with this month. First up, we have from Philosophy. Freaking love Philosophy. This is the exfoliating daily face wash. I love the Philosophy face wash. It's a cult classic. My neighbor turned me onto it, and now I feel like I can't ever go back. This one's a full ounce too, which is shockingly large for Ipsy. Next up, we have something in here from Juicy Couture. This is called Rose Land. It is a fine fragranced soy candle. I kind of thought it would be a hard perfume, which would make more sense from Juicy Couture. That smells fucking amazing. Oh my God, it is peony blossom, rose petals, and sparkling melon, and I don't smell the rose at all. It is always weird to get a non-makeup item in a makeup bag like that, and it's not really a beauty tool either, but it smells awesome, so I'm not sad about it. Maybe it was a choice item. Next up, we have a double-ended, it looks like an eye pencil. Maybe it's copper and dark brown. Is this for eyebrows or for eyelids? I think the brand is called Formula Z, and then it is an eye line and define or smoke and blend for added drama. Another makeup item in here, this looks like it's Kat Von D, but it's not. It's Sugar Daddy Boss Gloss, and it's kind of like a, I don't know, it looks like a rosy, this looks like a color that I would really like. And since it says gloss and not liquid lip, let's crack into this. Do I like it? Do I like it? I can't tell. I hate when lip gloss has that like milky, that white cast, like a pearly glitter to it, and I'm pretty sure that this is looking pearly, which then just like makes my lips look dry or white or crusty or something. I don't love that. We have one last thing in this speed unboxing from Mark Anthony, Repair Bond and Resculpt Text Repair and Treat Leave-In Treatment Conditioner of some sort. I'll take it. I'll take it. My hair is always so damaged. That was a pretty fun box. We have something for your hair. We have skincare. We have a candle, lip gloss, and eyeliner. Quite a mix of things. Next up, we have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, also known as Boxycharm, that just comes in an Ipsy box. It is $30 per month. You're going to get 3 choice items, much like how Ipsy Glam Bag Plus used to be, but now it's just called Boxycharm. Again, it should follow a beauty quiz. Oh, and they did away with the bag. So now there's no large bag that would match this, which I think for the first time ever, I'm kind of disappointed that there's not a larger bag to complement this one. And the first thing I see that I'm really excited about is a 2-pack of beauty blenders, because I absolutely hate washing these. I have like 30 of them, but if I could add 2 more and not have to wash things for like another month, that'd be glorious. These are from Mo Beauty, Flawless Coverage Cosmetic Blender Duo. This one's a very classic teardrop shape, maybe a little bit squattier and fattier. And then this one is that angled, I swear I've had this exact same orange one from Target. What is that brand called? Like Real. They both feel the same as far as density goes. Maybe this one's a little softer. Maybe it's the shape. I don't know. You know what's wild? It's smoky outside because of the wildfires in Canada, and it's weird to see the outside smoky and not just the inside smoky. Origins Checks and Balance Frothy Face Wash. I appreciate that they didn't allow that to explode. This is, yeah, just a giant face wash from Origins, which I hear is an amazing brand. I have only ever tried their like hair oil. Oh my God, it was so good. Next up from Il Makiage, I've always wanted to try their foundation. Tell me if you've tried it, if it actually matched you well, if you ended up keeping it, or if you got scammed and had to keep the bottle. Cause you get, you know, it's that thing, you have to go online and they guarantee that they will send you your correct foundation. And they're so sure of it that they are going to send you the full bottle for you to try. And if it doesn't match, you can send the full bottle back. To me, that's absolutely wild. that sounds like a whole lot of waste. But I think in the long run, because it's fairly expensive, I think it's like 45 or 50 bucks. The amount of people that just keep it just because they're like me and they can't seem to return or do a task in a timely manner probably pays for that waste. But this is also from Il Makiage. This is a Color Boss Squad multi-dimensional eyeshadow palette that's actually really pretty. That's like the exact eyeshadow palette that I wear basically anytime I do my eyes, such as today. Never mind, I take it back. There's only one matte shade, and to me that's kind of messed up. The shimmers are very nice though. They're like a champagne, more of a gold, more of a rose, and then you have this like kind of deeper brown. I don't know. It's a decent palette, but it's like an accompaniment palette. I'm trying not to do that kind of shit in my life. Tresluce. The shade is called Nudie Pink. That's a really cute lipstick. Here, we can take this. Oh my God, I kissed it twice and accidentally got lip gloss on my nose. I feel bad even messing this up. Look at how pretty that is on top. This is actually really nice. It feels kind of dry. Let's break past that. Now it's creamy. I love that. That's probably one of my favorite lip shades that I've gotten in a box in a very long time, that I've gotten period in a long time, because I won't go to the store and get that myself. I'll mess it up every time. Last item we have in here is a half-caked double dipper color duo palette. I don't think it's an eyeshadow palette though. It's called Girls Tour is the shade or the duo. Yes. And yeah, so we have a blush and a highlight. It's very pretty. This packaging is extra cute though. So that's the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm sorry, no, that's the BoxyCharm. Next up we have Act Live Life. I'm really excited about this one. I've got it one time in the past and it was amazing. I got a pair of green leggings out of it and I wore the hell out of those until they no longer fit me. And there was also like a workout challenge in there that I actually wanted to do, and there was a prize in the end, and I didn't get to accomplish it all the way, so I didn't get the prize because it's me. This one is also a monthly subscription. You have your choice between two different box levels. So they have the Mighty Motivator Pack, which I'm guessing comes in like something a bit more like this. That's gonna have 3 to 4 items in it. It has an apparel item, like a motivating thing, a tasty treat, and like something else. And then they have the Mighty Motivator Box, which is the one that I have. This one is $49.99 per month. The other one is $29.99 per month. Always free shipping in the US. I believe we have a coupon code. Any coupon codes and stuff that I have, I will put down below in the description box and pinned comment. But this is a small woman-owned business. They're really passionate about their health and motivation and just kind of creating a very positive environment. So they have like exclusive Facebook groups and different challenges and things like that to really get you more involved, or as involved as you want to be. There's a little motivating card in here. Your success is found in your daily routine. Oh man, that just called me out. There's a motivating sticker in here that says the best way to get something done is to begin, which is the hardest part of the routine. It's really calling me out. A recipe in here, a healthy recipe, turkey meatballs. I would actually give these a try. There's also this other little card in here. It says open on a day when you need a little extra encouragement, and sealed. And it's like, I want to wait until a day that I need to see it, but I also kind of want to, should we wait? I don't know. I'll wait, I'll think about it. Okay, I gotta go in for the snack item. This is called the Better Than Good Foods Veggie Infused Protein Breakfast Puffs in Salted Caramel. That actually smells good. The idea of caramel flavored rice puffs though kind of sounds disgusting, honestly. Ha, I don't know how I feel about them. I love them and hate them at the same time. Like, it's not the correct texture for the flavor, but I like it. Well, there is a hell of a lot more stuff in here. We've barely even touched it. Let's go into an apparel item next. So every single box, I believe every single box looks like it comes with an apparel item. This one is a t-shirt. In the past, I had gotten leggings. I might have gotten a tank top. Maybe not. Maybe I bought that in an MLM party. I don't know, but this one says Mad Hustle. The further down we get into the box, the better it gets. Next we have this little sign. It says we are rooting for you, or we are rooting for you. This is actually a magnet. My Nana's fridge would look so cute with this on it. And then there's also a, oh, it even says carrots already. There's a little garden marker and a seed pack of carrots. But we also have some tech in here, which I totally didn't expect. I don't know how great these earbuds would be, but honestly, I've bought some pretty cheap ones off of Amazon and have been pretty surprised at how great they were. They magnet right in, and then it tells you, it flashes the battery percentage down there when you first do it. I don't know if you caught that. These ones are inner ear, but I kind of really like that there's an actual hard button on the side rather than just touching it, because my other ones are just tap and I mess it up constantly. I don't wear inner ear ones though. Daryl freaking loves them. He says that they're way better for like actually doing yard work and stuff. Do you like this? Are we blitzing through this? I feel like I'm talking more than normal actually. This is an all natural caffeinated Dirty Bird energy drink, peppermint and coconut. It's not an energy drink. It is a bath soak. They literally use smell proof like cannabis bags. Woo, that is minty. 3 more things left in here. Let's go for this because I don't exercise enough to really know what this is. And I have a feeling that you guys are gonna have to tell me. These are some bands of some sort. The brand is called the Barbell Club. Oh, I think, is there more than one? Is there just one? I don't know anything about it to tell you about like the tension of it, but it feels kind of hard to pull. And I feel like this is something that you would probably use for your arms or maybe like your body. Maybe this little book will tell us how to do it. It's called 7 Minutes to Fit. 50 anytime, anywhere interval workouts. I love interval workouts. I love something that's going to keep my brain like kind of moving on to the next thing because I will get bored easily. I will get distracted and I will move the fuck on and then I will not come back to it. So it actually has routines and also like how to do it and why to do it kind of throughout this. Wow, there's a lot of workouts. Oh, and they're all separated like lower body workouts, upper body workouts, abdominal workouts. And the last thing in here is something that I've never ever owned in my entire life. I believe it's a gym towel. Like one that you would on purpose take to the gym with you to like wipe down equipment. It says don't stop until you're proud. That's nice. Should we open this? I kind of really want to open this. For $50 a month, I feel like we got a lot of stuff in there, right? This says you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Another cute motivational thing. They do also have like a Facebook and Instagram and a Pinterest and stuff. I'll put all of the links for them down below. We're down to the very last box already. Are you shocked? Are you surprised? It is BREO box. This is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box. It's $159 per quarter. Of course, we have coupon codes and all of that jazz down below as well. I think it gives you $30 off of your very first box, and you get it so 4 times per year. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Not in that order. This box comes generally with like 5 to 7 different items in here, a value of up to $300. You're gonna get something in it that you probably wouldn't get for yourself or you've probably never heard of before. The value of the box is usually somewhere closer to around $250. So let's see. The very first thing that we'll pull out of here is called the Key Smart Pro. So it looks like this is a location tracker for your keys, basically like an AirTag, but meant to actually hold on to all of your keys. You would take it apart and attach everything in there. Just like an Apple AirTag, it only works with the Apple Find My app. It has the left behind notifications. You can locate your keys on a map and it can organize up to 14 keys in all different sizes, even house keys and car keys. It can't do my car key because, well, most car keys, I think, because it's a key fob. I would more likely just put this inside of something that I am likely to lose, just so that I can track it. This does come with a can opener. And I think this button down here is a light, but since it's not charged, then the light is not turning on. And then it looks like you have maybe a pairing button right there too. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. All right, let's go for something that's a little bit more medium in size. This is called Pura, and this is... Life is better when it smells good. So I'm gonna guess that this is an air freshener of some sort. It looks like you would attach 2 things in the bottom there, which might be in here because that stuff is usually, yep, included. So we have 2 bottles. This is called Pacific Agua, and this one is called Yuzu Citron. What do I do with this? Oh. Hold on. Download the Pura app and follow the instructions before you plug it in. Okay, I guess I can't do it right now. So this is the Pura Smart Diffuser. It's $45. You can personalize every detail of your home scenting experience right from your phone. So you download an app, you attach this to it, and then you can decide when your home is gonna be smelling. I understand the technology of it, and I love that the technology for something like that exists, but that's putting too much on my plate. I'm already doing too much. I cannot also manage that. I just wanna plug it in, and I want it to make the house smell great. Long-lasting fragrances that last up to 100 hours with average use. They're clean ingredients that are safe. Premium fragrances from high-end popular brands and smart features so that you could adjust the intensity, use schedules and timers, and much more. That is a lot. Daryl is super into smart homing the entire home, so he could get into that for me. This is another thing he would get into though. This is called the Draft Top Drink Topless. It's like, what the heck? So it says that you're supposed to put this thing on top of your can and like pinch and twist all the way around, and it's gonna turn your can into a cup by removing the entire top lid for you, but I don't understand how that's not going to make it then sharp for you to drink out of, unless it's just doing like the inner part of the top. We're gonna have to give this a try. Line can tab with opening and place on can. Twist can counterclockwise to lock tab. Rotate can counterclockwise at least 360 until can top stops rotating. I don't think it's supposed to be that confusing. I don't know, did it? It never stopped rotating. Nothing happened. It's got like a can opener bit in there, so I see the logic of it. Grab it really hard. I hear something happening now. It's just like leaking. I can hear it like breaking the seal. I'm like halfway. Oh no, this thing just smells like beer. It probably will be, ugh. This is not as cool of an invention as I would have liked. It came off. There are no sharp edges. This doesn't appear sharp or anything. It did it. It turned it into a cup, but that was a lot. That was a lot of effort. I absolutely will not drink out of cans because I'm afraid bugs will go into it. But if I had this, I could drink out of the can. I just have to rip it apart. Two more things left in here. Another thing for the kitchen. This is called the Healthy Gourmet Choice. It is a glass Eco Mister Spray Don't Slather oil, so you can actually, that's nice because I got those Caraway pans, the pots and pan set. You're supposed to use hella less oil, and I am like real heavy-handed when I dump it, so this could come in handy. The ceramic pots and pans need very little. How does it pump them? Okay, so for this thing, you're supposed to pump it, and filling it all the way is not optimal because then the pressure doesn't stay for very long, and you have to pump it more often. Yeah, it works. Beautiful. This is something that's probably not very expensive, but it is something that I could use that I probably would not or had not thought to buy for myself. And then there's one last thing in here, and it's the biggest thing out of the entire box. It's called the Lark Bottle Filtered. I've heard of this before. It's a filter. It's like the Brita filter that you have a filter attached to the straw and you suck through it. The Brita filter one that I have is really hard to drink through because you have to like pull the water through the filters. And this one's not supposed to have any resistance whatsoever. So it's a kind of an expensive water bottle also. It has a carabiner, so I guess you could just carry it around with you like this. Oh, I'm so excited. Brilliantly filtered water anytime, anywhere. I like to double filter my water. I'm super extra about it, but I'm okay if I have to drink unfiltered water. It's just if I'm going to somebody's house, I'll just go up to their sink and I'll fill this up instead, and then I'll stick this in here and literally always have my water bottle with me. That's cool. The mouth is like a little pull-up top. I'll wash it and give it a try and let you know. I washed the water bottle. You might be wondering what the heck I am doing outside. It's because I want to use water out of this dirty old hose to test out the filter. I feel like that's the best test, right? Tastes like rubber. Oh my God, that's nasty. It definitely tastes like totally pure. It's just, it's not zero suck. I still have to suck pretty hard to get like enough water out of it. I'm a chugger though. The shape is nice where you're not like pursing your lips for a straw, so it would promote not wrinkles. I'd say it's a win because it is easier than the Brita, and it's way cuter, and it's way more sanitary because it's not plastic. With the overall value of BREO box on the screen, I feel like this one is probably closer to the $200 range. I always end up liking BREO box, and I don't want to love them as much as I do because the price point, I do think the price point is a little too high. Of course, always use my code CH30, something like that, and get 30 bucks off, but I always get cool shit in it, and it's always stuff that I actually use, so I like it. That's everything that I have for y'all today. Thanks for hanging out for a speed unboxing, for a blitz through all of this unboxing with me. I appreciate you. Huge shout out to all my patrons for making videos like this possible, to all these boxes for sending them my way. All of them were sent to me in PR, and I appreciate it oh so very much. I'll have the details for them down below in the description box and in the pinned comment, and thank you for being here. I love you. I'll see you next time. Bye.